Best graphics cards for gaming in 2023.
When it comes to gaming, one of the most important components in your computer is your graphics card. The right graphics card can make all the difference in the world in terms of performance and visual quality, but with so many options on the market, it can be tough to know which one to choose. In this article, we'll take a look at some of the best graphics cards for gaming, ranging from high-end options to more budget-friendly solutions. High-end options: Nvidia GeForce RTX 3090. The Nvidia GeForce RTX 3090 is one of the most powerful graphics cards on the market, boasting an impressive 24GB of GDDR6X memory and 10,496 CUDA cores. It's a bit expensive, but if you're looking for top-of-the-line performance, this is the card for you. AMD Radeon RX 6900 XT. The AMD Radeon RX 6900 XT is another high-end option, with 16GB of GDDR6 memory and 5120 stream processors. It's a great choice for gamers who want top-of-the-line performance without breaking the bank. Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080. The Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 is a slightly more affordable option than the RTX 3090, but it still packs a punch with 10GB of GDDR6X memory and 8704 CUDA cores. It's a great choice for gamers who want high-end performance without spending too much money. Mid-range options: Nvidia GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. The Nvidia GeForce RTX 3060 Ti is a great mid-range option, with 8GB of GDDR6 memory and 4864 CUDA cores. It's a great choice for gamers who want solid performance without spending too much money. AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT. The AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT is another solid mid-range option, with 12GB of GDDR6 memory and 2560 stream processors. It's a great choice for gamers who want a balance between performance and affordability. Nvidia GeForce GTX 1660 Super. The Nvidia GeForce GTX 1660 Super is a more budget-friendly option, with 6GB of GDDR6 memory and 1408 CUDA cores. It's a great choice for gamers who want solid performance without spending too much money. Budget-friendly options: Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 Super. The Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 Super is a great budget-friendly option, with 4GB of GDDR6 memory and 1280 CUDA cores. It's a great choice for gamers who want solid performance without breaking the bank. AMD Radeon RX 5500 XT. The AMD Radeon RX 5500 XT is another great budget-friendly option, with 8GB of GDDR6 memory and 1408 stream processors. It's a great choice for gamers who want solid performance without spending too much money. Nvidia GeForce GT 1030. The Nvidia GeForce GT 1030 is the most budget-friendly option on our list, with 2GB of GDDR5 memory and 384 CUDA cores. It's a great choice for gamers who want decent performance without spending too much money. Conclusion: when it comes to gaming, your graphics card is one of the most important components in your computer. The right graphics card can make all the difference in the world in terms of performance and visual quality. Whether you're looking for a high-end option, a mid-range option, or a budget-friendly option, there are plenty of great graphics cards on the market to choose from. Consider your budget and the performance you're looking for, and choose the graphics card that's right for you.